Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to make a non-Newtonian fluid. A non-Newtonian fluid is a fluid that does not follow the rule of Newton's fluid dynamics. Okay, so for this we are going to need two ingredients and they are cornstarch and water. Now what we are going to have to do is mix them in equal quantities and that quantity should be in the same unit and their ratio should be 1:1. So now here we are taking 100 grams cornstarch and 100 grams of water. Remember, grams of water. Here we are measuring it over a weighing scale. Here you can see one small dash counts as 25 grams. Okay, so now we are gonna pour cornstarch into it and that should be exactly 100 grams. So with the first spoon the needle does not move. Second spoon, well, nope, not now, but fourth spoon, fifth spoon, sixth spoon. Well, it's only 50 grams till now, we need more. Seventh spoon, eighth spoon, ninth spoon. Well, how much is it? Well, here you can see we have achieved 100 grams. So now what we're going to have to do is pour all of this into the container. Now we need exactly 100 grams of water. Okay, so with the same principle we are measuring the amount of water. Well, not with the same principle but with the same unit. Just a little bit more. Yep, this is 100 grams of water. So now we also need to pour this into the container. Now what all that we have to do is to just mix these both until these become a semi-solid. That will be a non-Newtonian fluid. Okay, so now we have completed the mix and now all we have to do is leave it to settle down. Okay, so here is our non-Newtonian fluid and now it's ready for test. Okay, so now is the time for its testing. So non-Newtonian fluid states that if I will put more pressure on it, it will not let my hand go into it. But if I put less pressure, like dipping a finger, it will let my hand go into it. So now let me try it. First of all, I am putting less pressure. Yes, actually this happens in every fluid. Now let it settle down. Okay, so now I am punching it and it won't let my hand go in. Yep, it's not letting my hand go in. Only letting till a point, but after that it is not letting my hand go in.